morning, children. Welcome to 12th standard computer application. Now we are in chapter 4. Same chapter 4, but the topic is PHP operators. So the learning objectives of this video is PHP operators. PHP is hypertext preprocessor. In this, we are going to deal with operators. So PHP operators. Operator is a symbol which is used to perform mathematical and logical operations in the programming languages. So whichever language you are going to use, in that language there are many operators. Mathematical operators are available, that is arithmetic operators, and logical operations also can be done through the programming languages. So different types of operator in PHP are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, increment or decrement operators, logical operator, and string operators. So arithmetic operators, whatever we have learnt in maths, mathematical, is same. Arithmetic operators in PHP perform general arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, etc. So multiplication symbol is asterisk, addition symbol plus. This operator performs the process of adding numbers. So addition symbol is used to add numbers only. Division symbol, you know that in maths you will be having like percentage symbol, whereas in division in computer the symbol will be forward slash. Modulus, this is very important operator which performs the process of finding the remainder in division. When two numbers are divided, the remainder will be extracted from this modulus operator, whereas division operator extract the quotient. So this is the difference between division and modulus. Division operator divide numbers and return. It will give the quotient, whereas modulus operator will give the remainder. Assignment operator. Assignment operators are performed with numeric values. One variable will be assigned one value. That is, one value will be assigned to one variable. So here the default assignment operator is equal to. This operator sets the left side operand value of the expression to right side value. Right side variable. Okay. So here x is equal to y is similar to x is equal to y. So both are equal. This operator sets the left side operand value of the expression to right side variable. So here x is equal to y, left hand side operand value of expression to right side variable. So whatever value assigned in x will be assigned to y also here, but this is x plus is equal to, can be written as x is equal to x plus y. This simple form will be technically written as x plus is equal to. Already one value will be available in x. That value should be added with y. The previous value, that is new value of x is equal to old value of x plus y. In that way you have to read. X minus is equal to y. This is x is equal to, new value of x is equal to old value of x minus y. Here also x into equal to, new value of x is equal to old value of x into y. X divided by equal to. Same thing, new value can be found out from the previous old value. Comparison operator. Comparison operators perform an action to compare two values. These values may contain integer or string data type. String means word. How this word is compared? By ASCII value. Whenever we are going to compare capital ABC and small abc, capital ABC will have some ASCII value which is different from small abc. It will subtract and find out ASCII value of first character of first string will be compared to ASCII value of first character of second string. In that way it will be compared. So double equal to operator. Triple equal to is identical. Identical will check the data type, whether both the data type are similar. But whereas in double equal to, check whether the value is equal or not. Triple equal to will check the data type of left side variable is equal to data type of right side variable. Not equal to. It checks whether the left side variable is not equal to right side variable. Not equal. Then not identical. Greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Definitely for this video, I will attach the practical session also. I will explain this through practical session. Okay, so you can easily understand. Next is increment and decrement operator. Increment and decrement operators are used to perform the task of increasing or decreasing variable's value. Variable is a memory box. It will contain, it holds or it stores one value. This operator is mostly used during iterations in the program. So whenever you're going to repeat the same process for many times, that time it will be very useful. Plus $x. That is pre-increment. Increments $x value by 1. Then returns. If it is pre-increment, definitely it will increment one value and then only it will return. Whereas in post increment, return $x, then only it will increase. That is the difference between post and pre. The same for decrement also. Pre-decrement, first it will decrement one value and then return. Whereas in post decrement, it return $x and then decrements value. Logical operators. Logical operator is very, very important related to all the programming languages, because if you didn't understand this properly, you will feel difficult only while writing the program. Logical operator compares two and find out whether if two conditions are true. True if both $x and $y are true. If both the conditions are true, that is $x and $y are true, definitely the output will be true. Whereas in OR operator, if any one condition is true, if any one is true, the output will be true. Not true if $x is not true. If it is not, it will return true. XOR, true if either $x or $y is true, but not both. If, see, this is totally opposite of complement of OR, not an OR, or exclusively. It is read as exclusive OR, but complement of this, complement of OR only. Okay. True, when it is true, if either X or Y is true, but not both are true. If both are true, it will give false only. Next, finally, string operator. Two operators are used to perform string related operations such as concatenation. Whenever you want to combine two strings, you need one operator. For example, computer, concatenation, application. How will you combine two strings? Computer is one string. String is nothing but a word. Computer is a word. Another word, application. So if you want to join these two words, joining these two words is called as concatenation. Concatenation means joining two words, two strings. String is nothing but word. So for concatenation, this operator is dot operator. And one more operator is dot equal to. $text1 dot is equal to $text2. That is whatever available, with that it will append. Okay, so $text2 will be appended to $text1. So there are two string operators. One is to add the two strings. Another one is already one string is available. With that, one more string will be appended. Appending means joining one string with already available string. Okay. So with this, I will end the session, and definitely I will explain through practical session also.